Today I'm drawing a logo, and it's a logo for one of those guys who does the fake wrestling. Whoops, did I say that? Well, everyone knows it's fake, but he's a big tough guy anyway. We're drawing the logo for The Rock. You know, the guy named Dwayne Johnson. But when he wrestles, he's The Rock. It's a simple drawing, a bit demonic with horns and dark eyes. Kinda scary if you want to know the truth, but we're gonna do it in yellow so it's not quite so scary, as if we made it red. If you'd like to make it red, that's your choice. Here I go. You can download a free printable for this drawing. Please follow the link in the description. You can reduce the speed to 0.25 times or 0.5 times from YouTube settings. If you like pencil sketching, please do visit our channel, Art for All Sketching. I'll share the link in the description. Now it's time for coloring. We'll speed up the video. Pause or adjust the speed if needed. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon.